There's Jake. And there's Elwood, waiting for the school bus. Elwood. Oh, is the school bus coming? Is that the school bus? It's the bus. It's the bus. Nicholas is home. There it comes. There he comes. Hi, how was your day?
Good.
I think the dogs are happy to see you.
Yeah.
They missed you.
Can Miranda come over?
What?
Can Miranda come over?
What?
I do have some homework though.
Homework first before anything, okay?